Hello and welcome back to Stef le Chef. Today au menu French onion soup. This soup has been popular at least as far back as Roman time. They were seen as food for the poor people as onions were plentiful and easy to grow. This modern version originates in Paris in the 18th century. You can either use white or red onions. The secret for that soup is a good beef stock and some nice golden caramelized onions. So let's do this. Right, to make this classic French soup we need white onions, which I choose today, a little butter, a little pinch of sugar. I've got some bay leaves, some fresh thyme, some garlic, salt and pepper as usual. I've got a little brandy, that's optional, a little white wine, and a good beef stock. So, first of all, we need to peel those babies. Okay, now. First stage, we're gonna, in a pan at medium heat, we're gonna soften the onion for about 15 to 20 minutes, searing all the time. In 15 to 20 minutes, my onions are nice and soft. Now we're gonna move on to stage 2, which is getting a nice golden caramelization of those in the pans. To do that, we increase the heat. We add another splash of olive oil, a little butter to help the process, and a little teaspoon of sugar. And we're gonna carry on cooking this for another 20 minutes until they're nice and brown. So roughly after 15 to 20 minutes, or until your onions got a nice golden color like so and they're nice and caramelized, what we're gonna do next is deglaze the pan with some white wine. Like so. Let it reduce a bit. While this is happening, we're adding the garlic in it, freshly chopped thyme, a couple of bay leaves. There it goes. We're adding a little pinch of salt. Thing to add is your lovely beef stock. Here we go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna simmer it for about 20 to 25 minutes with the lid on. While our soup is simmering, we're gonna get our crouton ready. So a French baguette and a little olive oil will help the process. Grilling those croutons. Oven set at grill setting until it's golden. Halfway the cooking process, we check for taste. A little black pepper, and just to lift it, a couple of splash of brandy. There it goes for another 10 minutes. So my soup nearly done. All we're gonna do is transfer the soup into an oven-proof dish, like so. You don't have to do that, but this is the way we do it in France. So here I've got my crouton. I've got some comté today, but you can use Gruyere or some hard cheese, and we're gonna finish it with a sprinkle of Parmigiano Formaggio. So we just put the bread like so, generous amount of comté. Please make sure the bread is completely covered with cheese, otherwise it's gonna burn under the grill. And a little parmesan. Under the griddle until golden. So after 5 to 10 minutes, nice and golden, the soup can come out. We call this version in France gratiné à l'oignon also. Okay, watch out, that's quite hot. Comes in here. I'll put a little time for decoration. The proof is in the pudding, as they say in this country, so let's have a taste. It's like being in Paris. To go with that, I recommend a little Beaujolais, Pinot Noir or Côte de Rhône. Today I've got all of them in the same glass. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That will be ace. And see you next time on Stef le Chef. Thank you. Cheers. Bon appétit.